open house is awesome.
Open house as a whole has been really nice. We got to see a lot of cool activities.
We've been able to interact with scientists.
They really did a great job explaining it to us non-science folks. Really great, really informative.
I met a lot of the nuclear engineers, former and current, on staff, and they were telling me about their projects and how much they love Argonne.
And we've been able to see this beautiful campus and learn a lot more about Argonne and what it offers the country.
It's been a great opportunity to come into a facility that we would otherwise not be able to see. So it's really an incredible experience.
I think it's really fun to see all the science in action.
It made my feet.
It made your feet tired.
I love the work that they're doing here, and they're making sure that America is intelligent and we're staying ahead of the curve when it comes to other countries.
The best thing was just talking to all these actual personnel here that know so much about what they're talking about. It was very cool.